Hi, I'm Rob Franks and welcome to the Rob Franks Cooking Extravaganza. Today I'm here with my good pal Ben, and today we're discovering the true meaning of Christmas with our good friend. Let's begin. Hello. So I'm in my kitchen with Benjamin, as we've said before, and today it's Christmas. So we're making Christmas. So first up, we've got bread, because what Christmas. And what we're gonna do, you'll see anyway. We've got some chicken, followed by the chicken. We've got the crumbarah. The crumbarah. Then we've got the sweet pickled rud kabar. The and parsley.
Dude, you didn't even mention the fucking cheese.
Oh fuck cheese, man! We got the cheese.
We have some pigs in blankets.
Yeah, we've got the British pork chapala wrapper in the sticker bakar.
The shapadada.
The shilly-billy-billy-billy fool. After that, we've got some rolls, we've got some fingers. Let's fucking up it.
We got some fucking gingerbread men.
No, they're broken. They're literally all dead. Ben has just genocided the Gren. The Gren?
No, one made it. Wait, did he?
No, he's dead as well. He's dead.
He's dead now.
Let's cook.
This may look like a Taliban hostage video, but the first stage we need to do is hollow out this bread loaf so we can fill it with our sweet ingredients.
Activus. So we've got this bread. Ben's already thumbed it to death on this side, so that might fuck it up for later. But oh, it's really.
Too many cooks spoil the bread.
Right, let's cut it. Shall I? I'll hold the bread.
Nice incision there.
Make sure you get right to the bottom, but without cutting through.
Right to the bottom.
Yeah. Alright, okay.
Don't worry, I'm an expert on this. I've done this many a time.
Have you?
Well, on like homeless people. But I'm sure it's roughly the same thing.
The sound is the same.
No, there's no screaming.
Oh. Ah! Ah! I have loathed children! Let's sex this broad. Let's sex this broad!
Bitch.
Bitch!
On cheese. Gentler. Gentler.
I've got to get my whole hand in there.
Get your whole arm on there. Yeah, he's done this before, hasn't he?
What, I've fisted bread before, Ben. There we go.
Fair enough.
So we've got a nice little bread manger for...
Pregnancy.
Yep. Pregnancy, lads.
This all ties into the nativity story in some way or another.
Yep, we're three wise men looking for your mum. Right, okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to make the gravy.
Oh, I do it.
Yes, oh man.
Well, they're a bit thin.
It's because they're roast chicken.
Yeah,
We've got to fucking eat that, dude.
Well, lovely. Now we're going to eat gravy with will germs. Do you want some of them?
Tastes like pickles and chicken.
Right, so we're going to get one of our mushroom jigs.
A measuring joke.
A Marjorie Jackery.
A fucking jug.
Right, so that's got enough gravy in it.
Ah!
Will! Fill the kettle. That's the opposite, but alright. Will's new to this.
Well, there's one thing you don't want to do, is contaminate your kettle with more kettle. And water. And kettle. Mainly kettle. Unless you haven't got a kettle, then don't use any kettles. Unless you need a kettle.
Kettle.
Perfect!
You should so much unnecessary shit with that fucking kettle. So while we wait for the kettle to boil, we'll probably move on to stage next.
Who? Stage next.
Oh. Oh. I'm going in. 2016. We got chicken and cheese, we got gravy and shit, and we're gonna make some food, so you better eat it, bitch. Got some fucking loaf, and we're putting some shit in the loaf, you better eat the loaf.
Lime cordial. That was Lime Cordial by Rob Franks.
Let's not put that in, shall we?
Putting the whole of that in.
Stop taking drugs, Will.
Who knows what Christmas is?
Let them know it's Christmas time and leave the world. Let them know it's
I'm fearing for my life. We managed to do all of this just whilst waiting for the fucking kettle.
sponge on a stick.
No, wait.
No! What it is.
So in real time, the kettle took about 8 minutes to film, but for you it's probably going to be about 43 seconds, because fuck. So we're going to take this boiling water, and we're going to put it in the... I feel I lose the inability... No.
You lose the inability.
I lose the inability to speak when I'm doing this shit. Right, so I'm going to get a falk.
What do you... Don't need more.
Yeah, let me stir it first. Fuck me in the ass.
That doesn't like thick shit. That's like baby shit.
This looks like gravy
More.
icing.
More!
More to the mixture.
We need more, boy!
So we've got our gravy up to the right consistency. And
Look, it just runs right off the fork.
runs right off the fork.
Runs right off the fork.
Runs like fucking, I don't know.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
I would say it's thicker than lime cordial, but not as thick as custard.
Yeah, I think it's a good consistency.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
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 Yeah, you can't do
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
the plan is we're gonna take this extra bread, marinate it in some of that fucking gravy, and layer it at the very bottom of our dish. Bread dish thing. And it's gonna make the whole
Brish.
thing in the bottom of our brish, and it's gonna make the whole thing look really moist, really succulent. A lot of words are used to describe a female's private parts, but we're talking about food.
I thought we were talking about butts.
Titty sprinkles.
Lamb cordial. There we go. Right, there we go. That's good. That's
Give me a little
every little cook and ranny.
every little
Every little helps.
every little fanny. So while that soaks up that delicious juice, we'll prepare our other fillings.
Time for stage 9. So next we're gonna need help from our good old friend Georgie Formin, Georgie Vorby.
Dior, the new fragrance for men.
Or sausage.
4 men.
4 men. So see these.
There we go.
Ben, get a knife.
Oh, no, Will's on it.
Oh, Will's on it, never mind.
Will, Will, stop touching that. You only wash your hands, haven't you?
Oh, I was smoking earlier.
Oh.
So, right here we have
Nicotini,
the classic
chicken.
pigs in blankets.
So there's sausages wrapped in.
Rob, don't say it. Dude, you know the neighbours put in that noise complaint if you can't do.
Sausages wrapped in.
Rob, God no.
Wrapped in.
Ansel, get the camera out of it. He's gonna...
Wrapped in. Wrapped in. It's time for the
So those are cooking away.
That's just.
Sizzle me timbers, Captain. Ben's gonna try and do the famous bottle flip, but with a bag of grated cheese.
I am the one, your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed himself and family. By any means, your enemies, my
Hello! We're back again, even though we didn't leave. So the sausages and nerladun, and so we're going to put the marinated gravy bread in the other bread with the gravy.
Use the tong.
Yeah, with the tongs.
Use Harold's tongue.
Gonna flip it, make sure it's nice and soaked up some of that gravy
It
goodness.
definitely has.
Well, you want to make sure. I mean,
Well, it's been
gravy-
in there for 83 minutes,
Yeah.
so I'd like to it's done.
That's at least 2 years on Pluto.
Oh look, Dan's here! Haha, hello Dan! Dan! I want to die.
So now we're going to start layering in some of the chicken on top of that. Beautiful gravy bread, which doesn't sound beautiful when you say it.
Gravy bread!
Gravy.
Right, sprinkle some of that cheese in.
Sprinkle liberally onto your meat.
Give your meat a good rub.
Give your meat a good rub. You get some parsley flakes in there, because this should make any motherfucking thing taste good.
Now it's time to add the parsley.
The parsley.
Parsley.
The parsley.
I really hope that this is nice.
I'm sure it will be.
Yeah, right, okay. No, well, there's enough parsley.
Ben! Oh, Ben! Yeah, boy, slide them shits in there. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, right.
Oh, yeah.
My man.
My man.
Looking good. It's smelling good. It is actually, I wasn't lying.
Yeah.
With some red cabbage.
I think this is stage 5.
I don't know.
I don't know.
It's at least 18.
There'll be visual prompts.
Is it the Rob Francis Wicked Extravaganza if we don't lose track of the stages?
Yeah.
Who's stage?
It's alright. Yeah, it's not like we're important. You just film everyone else. It's fine. My dad, my brother. I tell you what, where's mum? Meanwhile, we're adding red cabbage.
Yeah, I reckon that's fine.
One more, just for luck. There we go.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. That's looking good. Right. Pass me that fork, Ben.
Falk.
The fork. Just gonna push all that down a bit, just to fit more stuff in. Stuff in. Fit more stuff in. Christmas. Puns.
AIDS.
Christmas. AIDS. Puns. Christmas. AIDS.
AIDS.
Puns. Oh my God! I wish I was dead. This is the next thing that we're going to be doing. We're going to be adding the cranberry sauce, and then we'll do this
Cranberry sauce.
cranberry sauce.
The sauce.
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 Dan. Sauce. Will. Sauce. Right, okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to get some nice firm lumps and just...
I do like firm lumps.
Oh yeah!
Joey doesn't like firm lumps.
Fergie.
I was gonna make a cancer joke, but I figured that's a bit dark.
No, go on Ben, do it.
No, I was gonna say he doesn't like firm lumps. Breast cancer patients, but that's a
Or
bit-
testicular.
Oh yeah.
True. Raise awareness, guys. Raise awareness.
Have a feel every day to see if your balls hurt.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this isn't me.
That's the moral of this episode.
this isn't
Grab your balls.
this isn't me taking.
Just throughout.
Yeah.
From this point onwards, hold on to those testes.
Or just hold on to bed.
Never let go. Never let go.
Yeah.
Hello, son. I took the initiative and I thought I'd put some gravy on this side as well. Beautiful. So let's put it on, shall we? No, that's for later.
And that is a Christmas loaf.
Oh no, what do we call it?
No, we need to garnish. It's loafmas.
Oh yeah, I forgot to do this at the beginning. We're making loafers.
I say we garnish with a bit more cheddar cheese.
Hi, and welcome to the Will Palmer Cooking Extravaganza. Today, he's going to make a fucking mess by putting cheese everywhere for no reason.
Okay, so now this has got to go into the oven.
We're going to put it in at 200 degrees.
Which is gas mark 6 for people with normal ovens, not electric.
Welcome to the future, William.
And according to the tasty recipe we ripped off, this will be done in about like 10-20 minutes.
It's time to cook. So let's put this in the old Vaney. And we'll just come and check on it every so often, and then once it's ready, we'll just...
Where's my orange juice?
Wagwan, we is back in this bitch, and we're gonna make dessertmas.
We're gonna make a Christmas log? Yeah, let's call it a Christmas log. Sounds like poo. Yeah, Christmas poo, doesn't it? Right, so the plan is we've got these. These are gonna be our, what's the word? Trunk. So we're gonna stick them on top of each other like that, and then we're gonna put the fingers on them like this. Actually, no, I think more like this, I reckon. And then we'll have this one coming in from this side, and, just and have that one just. And that's Christmas.
And the fondue saucer.
So these are like our
Scaffolding.
yeah. Oh, was it 10 minutes already?
Yeah?
Blood. Right. So once we've done this in a second, we're gonna go check on the other food. Yeah.
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 Oh.
Stick it on, Ben.
Right, hold it steady.
Oh, Jesus.
Jeez Louise.
Jeez Louise, Papa Cheese.
Jeez Louise. Jeez.
I'm just gonna fucking tumble.
Yeah, this bitch ain't gonna
I've got an idea.
prop it. Some big ol' eggs.
Maybe we'll do a jump cut here.
Cool, so I'm just gonna check on the old loaf.
Oh, mate, look at the cheese on top.
I mean, it's looking pretty good.
Hey lads, how's it going? How's it look?
It's not quite there yet. You've got the melted cheese on the top, but the cheese inside ain't melted yet. So clearly the heat's not penetrated the whole loaf. So we're going to stick it back in for the 10, I think.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy! Hello. Hello. So we've taken a bit off the top because they kept falling over. Wait, it's about to sit again. Wait. Leaning Tower of Pisa, more like the Leaning Tower of Yule log. Am I right? Okay, so we're gonna get this other bit and we're gonna wrap it around and hope that this does the biz.
Fucking hell. Just mushing cakes out of the cake.
God, not the first time I've had a big black thing like this in both hands.
It actually just looks like a dick now.
Merry Dickmas, everyone! Dick.
Joy to the world.
The dick is dick. Dick has come.
Wow. Time for me to take my leave.
This is just like a big game of reverse Kaplunk.
I love reverse.
Gonna help,
Kaplunk.
Paul.
No, I was waiting for you guys to
Just sit there and look sexy.
Well.
It just looks like a willy.
Your way looks like this. You should go to fucking doctor's, mate.
I think this is the true meaning of Christmas.
Yeah, fucking impaling mush cake.
Yeah, your mate's fucking mutilated a Swiss roll.
If this was a person, it would need to be shot immediately.
Right, okay.
I wanna die.
Right, one sec. Let's just look. Oh, Christmas tree! Oh, Christmas tree!
She's like, I shouldn't exist. Why was I made?
I was once 2 Yule logs. Now look at me.
Wait, get close, you can hear it.
Kill me.
How are we gonna eat this?
Provided that they're all.
Essentially, this is like the aftermath of a fucking gingerbread man terrorist attack.
What was a really lovely idea has turned into this.
And it's nearly full. Yeah.
Oh, God's sake. Merry fucking Christmas. Alright, well currently it's got a quite nice like tiger bread exterior. So let's get a fork to test the inner consistency. It's got a nice crunch to it, that's good.
That cheese is melted out its pang.
It looks very good, doesn't it? Actually?
That's great.
I would say that's ready to eat.
Hi, I'm Dan Franks, and welcome to the Dan Franks Cooking Extravaganza. I'm here with my good pal,
Well,
and we're going to the shop to get cream. How's that, Rob?
it was alright. It's not quite, you know, the yeah.
This is a Dan Franks Cooking Extravaganza now, Rob. Dan decided we don't need money to go to the shops, do we, Dan?
No, just gonna steal it, you know.
That'll show the co-op.
Honour among thieves, Jess. Honour among thieves.
So here on the Dan Franks Cooking Extravaganza, we've got some poo on the road.
Just. Oh!
I'm confused though, like, why would an owner?
Well, guys, we're still walking to the co-op.
Yeah, we've been walking for at least a good 2 hours.
Maybe 3 years.
Yeah, it could be. I wouldn't be surprised.
We're not in Kansas anymore, kids.
Yeah.
I bless the rains down in Africa.
Let's get some really good quality
Yeah, just get
cream.
the double cream.
Yeah.
That's like that. Yeah.
I'll take care of it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.
It's like gas coming out of it. Great success! Well, this has been the Dan Franks Cooking Extravaganza with my good pal Will.
Yeah.
And we went to the shop and got some cream, and
Yeah.
it was great fun. We had fun, didn't we, Ansel?
Yeah.
We did. We had lots of fun. We saw some poo.
We saw some poo, sung a
Yeah, we
little
did
song,
see some poo. There was a bit of poo. Wasn't there?
and we're back home now.
Yeah, well,
so
let's ring the doorbell.
Gentlemen,
It's Ben Palmer of the Ben Palmer Rob Franks Extravaganza Cooking.
by the love of Courtney Craig, it's Christmas again. And we tried to make a Christmas tree, but this is obviously how it ended up. So I decided to call it the Christmas.
Oi, fuck you.
That's a completely original
It's totally
idea.
my idea.
It was an original idea by Rob Franks and me only. So what we're going to do, we're going to put this in this bowl and we're going to eat it like that instead, because Christmas! Christmas AIDS,
Go give it to you.
If I give it to you, get it on your own. It's gonna give it to you. Knock, knock, open up the door. It's filled with the nuts. I'll pop up for sailors. Yeah, boy. Ben, cream it.
Fire! There's some
Creamy. It's Christmas and I'm very merry. So, we've got the food and we've got this knife and we've got the plates, so let's cook the clock and then the f***a-dook.
Drink cutlery.
No. Oh my god.
Oh my giddy on.
That looks sensational. What is in this?
Alright, well maybe watch the video and you'll know. Bloody hell.
Harry, who invites the audience anymore?
Always getting through it.
Just hold it. No, not doing well. By the end, you dickhead. Here.
Well, that's your bit, Will. Eat up, sunshine. That's fine.
Okay.
Oh, please let this on this footage.
Okay.
Bit late there. Better late than never, that's what I always say.
Right, Fiona.
Anyway. Merry Christmas, everyone! Merry Christmas.
Welcome to Dessertville, USA.
So this-
Population young.
This is the Christmas. He was a teacher of mine at school, Mr. Christmas, and
We need the dessert.
Mr. Meth.
You're a fucking retard.
shut up. So that's that. Another Christmas, another Rob Frank's cooking extravaganza. What do you think, Ben?
I think it was.
So next year we're probably going to make something else, but next time we're going to be making the Big Fist.
Yep. Actually this time, gonna sit down, buy a metric ton of sausage meat, and just go, do you know what? Gonna make that Big Fist.
We're going to make the Big Fist again. Big Fist. That's coming. And
Fucking eggs.
until then, it's time to end. Ta-da!